What if you could turn this plain Airtable base into this beautiful, secure, branded client portal without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a no-code client portal using your Airtable data in just few minutes. Here's the issue. Airtable is great for organizing data, but when it comes to sharing that data with clients or external team, it gets messy. You're either sending links manually using Airtable interface with limited permission or struggling to control what each user sees. That's where ClientlyBase comes in. Let me show you exactly how it works. So after you create your ClientlyBase account, here you can create your portal. So to create a portal, here click on create new portal, and here on the first go you'll have to give access to your base. This allows ClientlyBase to access your base securely to create the portal. So here I'll select the base, this one, and click on continue. I'll name the portal client. And here I'll select the user table. In our case, it's users. So these are the users who are going to access the portal. Then, and here let's select projects. Let me select projects and files. We'll add more pages in the later part of the video. Click on continue. And here you can enable authentication for the users. Right now, to keep it simple, I'll just enable email only. Create portal, and in just couple of seconds our portal is ready. Let me just grab an email, and if I log in, I'll see the portal. You can see our projects are being shown, but right now we are seeing all the projects, so we need to filter out data. So let's see how to do that. Here I'll edit the projects, and here you can customize this as well, like how the gallery will show the cards. So let's head over to records, and here I'll add a condition. Let me add a condition, then I'll show you what it means. So currently I'm seeing all the projects. So what I want to do, I only want to show the user their own projects. So I have this name from client. So here in projects, I have clients, and I have created a lookup field for the client. So I can compare it with users. And in the users also I have the same thing. So it will match it. And here I have this name from client equals from user field, I have the same thing, name from client. Okay. And after that, let me add a search by name, or let's say in filter I'll have status. Okay, let's save the changes and publish updates. And we also have project files. So let's see. We'll do the same thing here to only show the project files that belongs to that client. So I have name from client equals name from client from the user. This will ensure that we have all the files belongs to client only. And here let's do this, and also here I'll enable by file type and file tag as well. Okay, so we have this, and one more thing we have left is let's create a new page, and here we'll create project status. This will be of Kanban, We have lot of views like table, form, calendar, map, embed, and profile section as well. Let's choose the data source, projects in our case, then continue. So stacking field is like the single select field. Based on that, like projects, this is the field. So based on this, our Kanban column will get created here. Then image, card title, name, let's have description and status. Okay, and records will do the same for this page as well. Okay, and here in the fields, I don't want to show some of the fields, so I'll hide it. Okay, then search I won't enable, and in the other setting you can have like some description. Here you can, like this is a like page description or something. If you want to have some instruction or something, here you can see your project. Okay, then I'll create a page, and now let's head over to navigation. Here we have all the navigation. If you want to like update the name of the page, this can be done, like these menus, project status, let's have Kanban. Okay, I think we have all the things. I won't update it. Let's go to theme, and here let's create a, okay, let's upload a logo. I have this Zapier logo, I'll use this, and let's choose the theme as well. Let me use this color. Okay, now in the settings we have some of the settings. You can like also have portal language set. I'll keep it as English. Now let's publish and see the portal. So as you can see here, our theme has been changed. We have the logo, we have the theme color, and here you can see now I'm just seeing my own projects. So I have logged in as this particular email, Priya Sharma, and the client is Acme Corp. And in projects we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 8 projects belong to Acme Corp, and here also we are seeing 8 projects. So this is how you can like filter out the records or projects. And in files you can see all the files belong to the project. So we have the project file name, and we have missed one thing. So here in the fields we can do one thing. We can bring up the project here, and we can hide this. We don't need this. We have search and filter. Okay, click on save, and if I reload the page, now we have the file name, then description, project, and also the attachment. You can also create new file here, or if you want to edit this can also be done. You can just edit, and here you can update the record. Let's say presentation 1. I'll do this, and we have presentation 1. Okay, so this can be updated. The third page is project status, and here we have the Kanban view, so you can drag and drop right here. Okay, we haven't added the record permissions, so here we can allow create, edit. Okay, so this way you can update it. I reload the page, and now you can drag and drop and complete. So this is Kanban. Also, one more thing you can do is here, let's create a new page of profile. So you can choose the profile layout, then continue, and here you can select the photo, and this is optional by the way if you don't want to. Then email, I'll have name, that's it. I'll keep this uneditable so user don't update their email by themselves. And here I'll have, here you can update your profile, create page, publish. If I reload the page, and here you can see the user in the profile. In the profile you can see the photo, this can be updated, and then the name, like we have set email can't be edited, so it is not editable, and name can be edited. If I update it, Priya Shah, this will be updated. Okay, this is real time, so you can see user is updated real time. Okay, so this is two-way. So if I update it here again, Shaha, and if I go back, it will update it instantly. You can see it is updating instantly, so there is no data lag. So in just few minutes you have gone from this Airtable base to this polished, secure, client ready portal. No code, no hassle, and no more messy Airtable view. If you want to try this for your own base, head over to clientlybase.com. It's free to get started. You'll get the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Airtable tips, and drop a comment if you have any question or want me to cover more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.